Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your shop name on Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, changing your shop name is a very easy process to do. I won't be able to show you guys exactly. I'll show you what I can do simply because I am not on the full version of the shop manager because I haven't set everything up. I don't have the adequate banking details to set everything up. So I'll just be showing you guys my version and then I'll be going over some other instructions on how you can do it. Now you will need the shop manager either way. So in my case, I just go to the shop manager, go to name your shop in the case of still having to set everything up. And here I'll just rename it, just name it tutorial shop, for example, and then just save and continue. And for some reason, okay, I can't have spaces here. So I'll just save and continue, or I'll just select whichever custom or free name they can give me. And now that I have this, that is pretty much it. Now I've changed my shop name. Now to do it yourself, if you have everything set up already, just go to the shop manager, go to the settings, go to info and appearance, then next to the shop name, click on change, enter your new Etsy shop name. And then once you're done with that, just click save. And now your shop name will be changed. And that is really all there is to it. It is a very easy process to go through. It's a couple of button clicks away. Just go to your settings, locate the setting, and change the title. And that's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.